Welcome to this meditation video designed to support your body's natural healing process. We all experience physical and emotional pain at some point in our lives, whether it's due to illness, injury, or stress. This meditation will guide you through a process of connecting with your body and mind, allowing you to release tension and promote healing. Meditation has been shown to have numerous benefits for physical health, including reducing inflammation, boosting immune function, and reducing pain levels. In this video, I will guide you through a gentle meditation that focuses on relaxing the body and cultivating a sense of inner peace. Whether you're dealing with a chronic illness, recovering from an injury, or simply looking to support your overall health and well-being, this meditation can be a powerful tool. Now, let's start our meditation. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. Take a moment to adjust your body so that you feel relaxed and supported. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale. Allow your breath to slow down and become more natural without forcing it in any way. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and belly with each inhale and exhale. With each breath, allow your body to become more relaxed and at ease. Now, imagine a ball of light hovering just above the crown of your head. This ball of light is warm and glowing and radiates a powerful healing energy. As you inhale, imagine the ball of light growing brighter and more intense. As you exhale, imagine any tension or negativity leaving your body. On your next exhale, imagine the ball of light slowly descending through the top of your head and moving down through your body. As it moves through your body, it stops at any areas where you feel pain or discomfort. Allow the ball of light to linger in these areas, filling them with healing energy. Focus on the sensation of the ball of light as it moves through your body. It may feel warm and comforting, or tingly and energizing. As it moves through each area of your body, imagine it dissolving any tension or pain that may be present. As the ball of light moves through your body, imagine it regenerating every cell, from your skin to your DNA. Give it some time to move around your body, scan it, and heal the parts of your body where you feel pain. Visualize the healing energy of the ball, washing away any toxins or negativity that may be present in your body. When the ball of light reaches your feet, imagine it filling your entire body with its healing energy. Allow the energy to penetrate every cell, tissue, and organ, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Take a moment to observe how your body feels now. Notice any changes in your physical or emotional state. And allow yourself to feel grateful for the healing energy that you have received. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly through your mouth. Gently open your eyes and take a moment to ground yourself before resuming your daily activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Namaste.